Land apps. So this is the hotel that we're going to stay. This one, oh. Ito yung kanto mismo. So that there kasi papuntang Camp Chanhae. So, dito sa Rotonda na mismo ng Welcome Pinagbeng Park. Ito yung Rotonda. Tapos yung hotel, yan na yun, yung Lafayette luxury suite. So sige, tawid tayo. Let's go there para makatawid. Alright, ayun, yeah, okay, I am here. Let's go to the lobby. Yeah, okay, this is the lobby now. Ayan o, Lafayette Luxury Suites. Here's the lobby. Alright, that's it, and go to the reception area. And then we are now at the ground floor. And then here's the lobby. See? Oh, may stairs, may pa-stairs dyan. Yeah. And there, oh. Diba, with high ceiling. And let's go to the reception. And the coffee shop, Asian cuisine nila, Asara. Yeah. With here, and look what you got here. See, that's the ayan yung mga rooms sa taas. See that? And the reception area. Alright, let's go. So paglabas mo ng room, this is the very premium look. May pagka princess motif niya. Nakita niyo yung mga design. Ano ba to? Wood. Dito tayo. Here, left. See? Here. Go back to the ground floor. Tour guide, tutor ko kayo dito sa Lafayette. See, oh, surprise! Inside the room, you see, parang princess ano to? Double bed, diba? And then smart TV with the executive table here, and then the view from the room, ooh, it's overlooking. That's the City of Pines view. So that's the city mismo from here at the 10th floor of this Lafayette Hotel in Baguio City. Ang bango. Tapos very premium, di ba? Yung chandelier, may paganon pa ang motif nila. And then I show you the comfort room. Tududun. Ayun, smells so good. Dito. And yeah, tapos there's the ayan, may complimentary water, cookies, and coffee. The cabinets here, it's inside. The ref is there also. Okay, mini ref, personal ref. And then what's here inside? Ayun, cabinet. Also, ayun, with hangers, and we'll see inside here. Ayun, with the slippers. and laundry bag and plancha. Alright, that's 10th floor of Lafayette Hotel, Suite Hotel in Baguio City. Let's go out. Let's visit here the roof deck of the hotel, Lafayette. Luxury suite. Wow! Wow, the fog! Oh my! But in a way, this is the roof deck here, the hotel. See? Ang lamig! Yeah, it's too much cool! See? Pakita mo right now. Grabe yung fog. Grabe yung fog. Ayun o. Yung buong Baguio City oh. Ngayon yun. Yung fog nila. And then let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. Ngayon. Let's go to the other side here. I think the same. Mafag din siya. Oo. Ayan o. Time check. Yeah, 6:05. See? Ooh. Oh, lamig talaga dito. And then, akyat pa tayo. Pwede pala. Mas makikita natin yung kabuuan ng Baguio. I think see, tama. 360 degrees kita daw. If we're going to go up here, this area here. Oh. Wow. Oh. Siya nga. Yun oh. Ayan. Ayan oh. Sige. Tingnan natin dito muna. Oh, nakakalula. Ayun oh. Oh my gosh. Itakot ako sa heights eh. Ayun oh. Wow. Ayan na guys. Yeah. Sa roof deck tayo ng hotel. Ng Lafayette Hotel. So, ayun yung pinakababa. Ikutin natin. And then takot ako sa heights. Natatakot ako sa heights. See? Yun na. Kasi may salamin eh. So yun no. Pero kita, tingnan nyo naman yung fog. Diba? 6 o'clock. Then pag ikot natin here, ayun. Medyo ano na dito. Ikot natin dito. Nangangatog yung aking mga tuhod. Kasi kitang kita talaga sa 360. Yun no? So, diba? Ayun yung Ferris wheel oh. Dun sa downtown, sa downtown area. Oh, yan oh. Oh. Grabe. Nice. See? 360. Kita siya from here sa roof deck nila. Pinakamataas, I think this is for anong floor na ba to? 15th floor of the hotel. Diba? And then yan. So kung titingnan natin yung ating background there, ayun na. See? Ayan yung mga cars sa baba. Nangangatog yung mga tuhod ko. So never mind, that's it. Ganun lang. Diba? Alright. Thank you for watching.